Fear in Forex. Forex trading can be highly stressful and challenging activity, and fear is a natural emotion that arises when traders face uncertainty and risk. Fear can lead to irrational decision-making, impulsive trading, and loss of confidence, which can ultimately lead to poor trading performance and financial losses. Therefore, it's important for traders to understand the psychology of fear and develop strategies for managing it in order to become successful in Forex trading. Here are 3 common fear factors. Traders can experience several common fear factors that can affect their trading performance, including fear of loss. This is one of the most common fears that traders experience. Traders may fear losing money and may avoid taking risks or closing losing trades, which can lead to missed opportunities and unrealized gains. This fear can also lead to emotional trading, where traders make impulsive decisions based on fear rather than sound analysis. Next, we have FOMO, which we mentioned earlier, which is fear of missing out. This fear arises when traders feel like they are missing out on profitable opportunities. Traders may enter trades hesitantly without proper analysis, just to avoid missing out on potential gains. This can lead to overtrading and taking on excessive risks. Next, we have fear of making mistakes. This fear arises when traders are afraid of making mistakes or being wrong. Traders may avoid taking risks or making decisions, which can lead to missed opportunities and lost profits. These fears can be detrimental to trading performance in several ways. Fear can lead to emotional trading, which is based on instinct rather than analysis and can result in impulsive decisions. Now, in order to overcome fear, here are a few solutions. Develop a trading plan. A well-defined trading plan can help traders manage their emotions and make more rational decisions. A trading plan should include entry and exit points, risk management strategies, and a clear set of rules for trading. Then you also want to set realistic goals. Traders should set realistic goals and avoid taking unnecessary risks. By setting achievable targets and avoiding excessive risk-taking, traders can reduce their fears and make more rational decisions. Then we have managed risks. Risk management is an essential part of successful trading and can help traders manage their fears. Traders should use stop-loss orders to limit their losses and avoid taking too much risks. Last but not least, in my opinion, the most important one is practice discipline and emotional control. Discipline and emotional control are critical for overcoming fear in Forex trading. Traders should avoid emotional trading and stick to their trading plan and rules. They should also take breaks and manage their stress levels to avoid burnout and emotional exhaustion.